You guys tengah jaga anak, tak sempat nak siap-siap kalut, pakai je day cream. Just try this day cream Skintific Glow Bright. Korang pakai je lah sikit je, it give instant tone up. It's so moist, and I paling suka dia terus meresap. With and without. This is not foundation, this is just a day cream. It's a skincare. Kalau I tak sempat nak bersiap, tengah kalut nak jaga Noah ke apa, I nak cepat-cepat keluar, I just pakai this day cream ni. You tengok muka korang takkan kelabu lama-lama dia akan serap and ikut warna kulit kita. So nice. Betul yang ni cerah, yang ni gelap kan. Betul with only, wait, I pakai sikit je terus nampak cerah. Can you see the difference? This one I tak tipu. This is a lifesaver. Malas nak bersiap, pakai je lah ni, dah nampak macam bersiap. Muka putih, tangan pun putih. And this one got glutathione, panthenol, and also ada adenosine that can help to brighten up our skin. At the same time, even kan kita punya skin tone langsung tak bercapuk. I terus nampak segar and sihat. I love. This gonna be my favourite. Okay, I nak sama main dengan Noah. Ibu say hello, adik say everyone. Okay, hello.
Everyone, Remy.